Hi guys! A lot of people have asked me this before. Do I need to use a comma before such as or like when I give examples? The short answer is, do not use comma with a restrictive clause and use comma with a non-restrictive clause. You might still not understand what I'm talking about, but it's okay. Let's first differentiate a non-restrictive clause from a restrictive one. Let's look at a non-restrictive clause. I have artsy hobbies such as painting and dancing. If you take away the phrase such as painting and dancing, the sentence will become, I have artsy hobbies. This sentence still conveys the same message because people can still tell what type of hobbies you have. Now, let's look at a restrictive clause. I have hobbies such as painting and dancing. If you take away such as painting and dancing, the sentence will become, I have hobbies. People looking at this sentence would probably ask, so what type of hobbies are you referring to? Sporty ones or artsy ones? When you take away the clause, you can no longer convey the full original message, and that's why we call it a restrictive clause. Let's look at another example of a restrictive clause where we don't use comma. Meals such as French fries and hamburgers are unhealthy. When you take away such as French fries and hamburgers, the sentence will become, meals are unhealthy. However, this is not what you want to say. You're not trying to say that all the meals in the world are unhealthy, but you're specifically referring to French fries and hamburgers. Now, let's look at a non-restrictive clause with a comma. I hate unhealthy meals such as French fries and hamburgers. If you take away such as French fries and hamburgers, the sentence will become, I hate unhealthy meals. People reading this would still understand you don't hate all the food in the world. You hate meals only when they're unhealthy. Key takeaway: use comma with a non-restrictive clause where the meaning of the sentence will not change even when you take the phrase away. Do not use comma with a restrictive clause where the meaning of the sentence will be distorted or it cannot be fully conveyed if you take the phrase away. I hope this helps, and please comment below if you have any other questions about English. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow my new Instagram account. See you next time. Bye!